सीधे जाओगे ऑफिस में आप जी ब्रांच किससे बात करनी है?
Border Security Force has 192 battalions, including 3 battalions of disaster management. Border Security Force is guarding borders in the western side, borders with Pakistan. That's about 2,549 kilometers. And eastern side, borders with Bangladesh. That's about 4,096 kilometers. The main role of the Border Security Force is to guard the borders of the country during peacetime and also during wartime fought against the enemy shoulder to shoulder with the Indian Army. During 1971 war, BSF played a great role to fight along with the army, and many BSF officers and Jawan were awarded also. Apart from security of the borders of the country, BSF is often deployed in the anti-insurgency role, and BSF has played a great role in the insurgency of Punjab, J&K, anti-Naxal operations, and also in the northeast. BSF is also playing a great role to create a sense of security among the border population. During its peacetime role, BSF is having very good relations with the border population, and through BADP project, so many works of border area development were undertaken by the Border Security Force. India is having a border with Bangladesh, and we are having about 448 kilometer border with Bangladesh of Meghalaya state. BSF is deployed on the borders, which is providing security to the border population, and also is playing a great role to check the border crimes. We are also having good relations with the local administration and also with the local police, because border management is not done only by the BSF. It is the responsibility of all the agencies which has stakes in the border management. So, 4 years of service, I have almost served in all of India, right from J&K to the western borders and to the eastern borders. The borders of the country has gone time to time. There are changes are coming. We have seen the cross-border terrorism, which is being supported by some other people sitting across the borders. So we also changed ourselves. We have changed our training. We have also undertaken operations as per required on the ground, and we have also changed with the times. So we are doing very well to provide the security to the borders of the country. Now I agree with you that due to the commitment of the force, the training is hampered, because there is a continuous deployment of the force in the anti-insurgency operations, in the election duties, and also wherever required to deal with the natural calamities. So what we are doing, initially we used to train our troops, collective training, we call it collective training of the company. If companies are not available, we are trying to give training on the job training. Where our troops are available, we are giving training to them. We are giving a lot of emphasis on the physical training, on the physical fitness of the troops. So when the troops are physically fit, then they are also given professional training and on-the-job training wherever they are available. Security force is raised to provide security to the borders of the country. If the borders are safe, our countryman is also safe. I want to convey to every countryman that when the border security force is providing security of the borders of the country, they should feel safe, and they should enjoy their stay and do good for the country, and BSF will not leave any stone unturned for the national security, and country will be safe when BSF is deployed on the borders of the country. Thank you very much.